Today we are going to show you how to pair the new Garmin eTrex SE handheld with the Garmin Explore app on your compatible smartphone. For today's demonstration, we will be using an Apple iPhone. Pairing your eTrex SE with the Garmin Explore app will allow for software updates to be installed. It also allows you to sync information like waypoints and courses between your handheld, the Explore website, and the Explore app. Mapping is also available for download to the Explore app to help you plan your adventure. First, you will need to download the Garmin Explore app on your compatible smartphone. Then open the app once it's installed. If you have a Garmin or InReach account, select Sign In. Today, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Now review and agree to the terms and conditions, then select Next. Enter in your account credentials before selecting Next. To allow for your device and account data to be backed up, select Enable Cloud Storage. If data backup isn't needed, select Not Now. Select Pair Device. Scroll down and select eTrex, followed by eTrex SE. With the eTrex SE turned on, select Setup, followed by Pair Phone. The Garmin Explore app will find your handheld. A Bluetooth pairing request will be shown. Enter the provided pairing code from the eTrex SE and select Pair. Then allow the Garmin Explore app to use your smartphone's location. Next, allow notifications to be sent to your smartphone. Finally, allow iPhone notifications to be sent to your device. When pairing is successful, select Done. Your eTrex SE is now paired to the Explore app. Your device data will sync with the Explore app with or without a data connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit support.garmin.com for other helpful videos on the Explore app.